I was talking to someone that is a diversity and inclusion officer at a university. Number one statement of all time that I never even thought about was, white faculty members have never had to think about social justice. They've never had to think about bias in the classroom. They've never had to think about the things that people from underrepresented communities have to think about. More importantly, they have a difficult time articulating white privilege because they never really had to think about it. These are real issues that people such as myself can help you solve, right? Because that is not something that happens in 2 days. It's not something that probably happens in 6 months, right? It's an evolving thing. And when you start getting complaints of, Professor such and such said something that I was offended about, or I felt like it was discriminated against, what if that professor who's never had to, again, interact with people that don't look like them, just what if they didn't even really realize that? Again, you can't shame them into saying, oh, well, now I need you to come, to this 3-day intensive on diversity because we're getting complaints from your students. You have to have a different approach and just help them reframe the conversation. It exists, but it can be overcome.